When I remember when I was in love with the world, lying still is smoking in their hair, cooking and other drugs that are dangerous to my health. Oh my God, everybody, thanks be to Jehovah, He is my Redeemer. Thanks be to the Most High, He is my Redeemer. Thanks be to Jehovah, He is my Redeemer. Thanks be to the Most High, He is my Redeemer.
I really don't deserve all the grace I'm enjoying from the Most High God, who is full of compassion. Without where will I be and what can I do? Thanks be to the Most High God for redeeming me from all this for sure.
He's Almighty God, He's Alpha Omega, He's the ruler of this world, He will come again. He's Almighty God, He's Alpha Omega, He's the ruler of this world, He will come again.
I do mean and come for me. Yes, only way I'm a madame. I said, I'm Kenya me. I ain't Canadian. Now, why, yeah, I promise.
I am
Are you ready? Ready to walk with the Lord? To walk with the Lord? Are you ready? Are you ready? What to Jesus? What to Jesus? Are you ready? There is power in the blood of Jesus.
Alright, abusian for your mama kwaba eba Yorke FM afex Hytvgh so and that day no Yorke morning jumedi no and edru so na Okamafo Clement matnas ewo jumedi so de na ye de na se a eni kabia na emma onyankopon wo ne do ene ne babo a ode aboyen na afei so ama adom abu adom so yeso takremada bodwemu a mojer edi efusane ene se wasore anopa idia na chese wunim se Yorke morning jumedi no ye ba betutu nsem ni nyina agu asum na wo so ehu de ekoso ewo Ghana hanum se ipeyfo se ade chene yante asemfoforo ayechi intinezizia no nsem a akoso da mu ni nyina endura na dwa akoda ye de ekoso nyina no yaboa no se bede na ye de ba besomo a enye asem ketwa Yorke morning jumedi no ye de eye nkranse esase anopa no ifri eye nonum ne fa kosi nsia ana no nsia no ye kofa akase wo no ebrewo yefi onom no ye de sports ne ade nyama bebre na hihye mu a afei de ye bedrum pempeso a ye wo se ye ka oman mu nsem ne ye afei de ye pe nsem bi epumasi bre ne ye cheche nsem bi emu ede kirew yedru hanum sei de na me kirew se e wo se me hye nkran kakra na afei de me di efutu a ehu hia pa ede maw efutu ba kwa me mame edi tu me fo a me di tu mi kododwe mu ba kwa me so me pese me ka kire wo no ene se sisi ano a wo nam wiase no bomodian na hwe wo hu yie na wanko kasa antia obi a onam ohaw anase amaniem se obi enam ohaw ne amanie bi mu abomodian se won kasa antia no anase won seresere no entwetwe no esanse obi nim obrempon ahyase obi nim da obi ebeba beye opanyin obi nim da obi beboa obi inti bomodian se uhia oyarefo bi a memfa ne yare ensere no se uhia obi na so ohia mbo a mensere ne da se wo ni obi etna class anase woni ni ko suku ena sisia no waba fom sisia no ne ohun ne ho so woni obi na hye abrabo na se munyina na mokọ Sunday school munyina na mokọ aso ibo mu munyina na mokọ suku bo mu bibia na munyina na moye bom na so nyankopon adom wato nsema wa adu baabia eno nche se wona wo wasene wo se wutietia won fa hu die so se wo seresere won esan se dachi bi ai wo wani mu no wonim emu nsem omo a wo sere mo enne dey no kai se anhwa dachi bi na omo no mbe ye wo boafo nti bomodian se wo kasemu ni ubibia mu no obema nyema wo kanu edimu na bibia so atototin na anhwa dachi bi no wona wo seresere etwetwe won no wona wo be ye oboafo woma wo fro a wo hia mo no omo aso na wo sane a wo be hia mo nti bomodian se bibibiara wo ye no wo be bomodian se wo be hwe wo kasa yie pam esanse ebinom aseresere abodanfo amamadane abodanfo ne de ya ye kasa ebinom aseresere ayarefo amamuso mo sisi omo ya ayarefo nti bibibiara wo ye no mesere wo se Okamafo Clement meka nsema ehuhia na efutuo so ewom na me de a kire wo bomodian se obibia wo be ye mu no bomodian se wo be ma no kwaridie ene afei so pepepe ye na saa nyama ni nyina so awo kasemu na bibia so akoyie midin ede Okamafo Clement matena se wo dwumadie so aye Yorke morning dwumadie ne so no na ye political stories ni nyina no esomo newspaper review ene insem edoso pa ena esomo meka wo say ye Yorke state jumaku ba kwa wasoma sne pam Yorke state se men kan kira wo say eba no insase a chese mansotwe eni hu insase a asumdue wo hu insase a betimi ato ade agya inchirima insase a woto be se ebia 3 years 4 years crowd betimi agya to akoye adwuma enye sika ebesi esodan enti se ya no fodie ya woto 1 year pepe wonsi wudan ya ne agye afi unsem we die enkrata sem a wo hu ni bibie wo hu no fine pam fra won 0243708485 udru ho na obomi din se Okamafo Clement na share han mama na se o kire me han msia ombema wo service aye fine pam afei so Adons boutique unim se time bia metna ha se dia na mo kan me mentade hye no ekoyie pa nti bomode ansa obetimi ahu Adons boutique intade na wodo nyina wo bi wo ye osofo wo ye chief bi chese ohimpon obi biara wo pe atade bi ahye no obetimi akoye Adons boutique afei watches ahodo mi shoes ahodo ameto nyina no menton fi abuchire meto ewo ye Adons boutique watches ahodo ameya mehye mekomu ade nyama bebra me disiesie me ho despite no muni ade nyina wo nyina wo ye den wo bomodi ase Adons boutique omekwa ko hunu nti Adons boutique de ye ka say ye nyina no baby ye fire fade Adons boutique frɛ won 0243708485 0243708485 obehwe MCR hanum se awapa mache wa aseme man mentade ni bi ni nyina ne sa Adons boutique wama me ho afenti no o de dache no ehumoburu nti meche ne mentade ne be se mienu miensa bi no so e de age fans wo ase ho no sa na bibia so akoyie mama kan che o se Sarabo hotel me baby me jimani nyina Sarabo hotel weekend no me pese me spend time year 1 bia Sarabo hotel no makoda na madwendwen se ne metimi ama mabrabo akoso wo ye sofo waba kaso ne important wo be preachi o pe baby e de utiato o be sra boyfriend or girlfriend pese chili wo baby kakra dia Sarabo hotel bomodi an efre won omo ewo nyanyano road ewo kaswa 0242222292 0242222292 now afre won normally wona di nkomo na bibia so akoyi ama on se Sarabo hotel 5-star hotel mu bibia swimming pool bibia ye set bomodi an se ko obeko na afeye also akwaji we na bibia so akoyi oye wedding opese okoye wo honum event bia na obetimi akoye ho na bibia so akoyi now to our first story and then the story of the day Hytvgh ho asema ye ka no ho akọ chese atwe ho ensem no aye dija chese ho ensem no wanhwe ya ye betwe sekan kura ewo ho ho ensem no akoye asemhia ebinum kura wo ye interview na sa wo bi so ho asema na chese nisuo na wo tie sanse eto no emudu ama yede to so kra na wokomu ebu meka Hytvgh eto no iti Hytvgh aye to kese ayede abeto ye so no ye nyanji ntumu nenso ehwo mframa mpo etimi mani pasu na minim se ye nchirechiremu na ganafo ye nya ye inti ne empese ye beje atum anase ye nya nchirechiremu ene ehu se emboa yen sa ne mani nyina eye nsem aye wo se ye peni puma sibre na ye to aso ana mekire wo se sisi anu asema eda social media eda Ghana hanum se ba bibia obi eka ho asem Hytvgh na sisi anu owura ose chemensa bonsu ode ni birthday cake no Hytvgh no ye de aye cake chese birthday na se na chese impinfo sa enya sem ketwa na key leaders of the political party MPP and the government itself they were present and enya asem ketwa 18 no sisi ano eno na eda afidie ni so no ha wo hwe okasa fonyin ni so a Hytvgh ni aye di cake sie na chese Hytvgh is going to be a national cake or a political cake. That's the question. Is Hytvgh going to be a national cake or a political cake? If it is going to be a political cake, it means that it will be for a particular political party. Abuja intino se betina se ama sisi anu yesika ye ba be friend Hytvgh yesi ye de akwan no ye de sisi ye e birthday party a cake na ya cheche e wo birthday na se anase den. Abuja say yentu ye hofo, you know, this is sending a signal to Ghanaians and it will push them to oppose the e-levy. Obia ye town hall meetings ayeden asike ngofo adwen to accept the e-levy send ye betimi aya akwan no. Sisi a birthday party way it is portraying and it is telling us that we are not going to benefit from what the e-levy, and the e-levy is going to be used for another thing. If it is ebetimi aba say ebi kra e-levy na cake na ya wa ha sei no nipa no e de gina ni keke, but adwenya beko omanfo anase Ghana for ya adwen mu no, it is going to be a different thing altogether. Aye de aye cake, e-levy cake. Na sisi ano yen kan say yen chendi ana yesika na yen chendi ana. This is what is happening in Ghana, and I'm telling you say yam fire na yen si for ma dachi anhwa Ghana ha dem say ye besere na yedi, because yen timi fa e-levy embe ye birthday cake na yen ka say oh ade we de saa ya fa na sira keke abusia ade na ekoso wo screen so na enya asem ketewa o enya asem ketewa kra ebi kra omo ye party no omadwen emba so kra say ebi a omo ye no mo de a kire say e-levy no mbe di sika no da bi enya sa no ebi omadwen tie. I'm just giving them the benefit of the doubt say ebi a enya sa no omadwen tie, but wo hwe mu yie pa de a na kire say sika na nhwa be fa baabi osia esem de be kan ye jabi afutuo ne nkoma mpemfo ni nyina. I believe say maybe me papa no, I believe that they are doing a very good job, but this signal is a no. This signal is a no. Today, Thursday, nkofo call a year demonstration against the e-levy. Demonstration, the big demonstration in Ghana. This one is not just a pressure group, but a political party together or in collaboration with what? Pressure groups, and we are going to have a very big demonstration. Even though I'm not part, I'm saying that they are going to have a very big demonstration, and we don't know the outcome, but let's wait for it. Say and there, Mekai will say Yorke FM, Hytvgh will be there live to cover for our viewers. Inti Mumbo Modi say you stay glued to Hytvgh and Yorke FM. Now we produce you the best content that you deserve. Abusia mame ntwa me ho na me dame ho bra sia me ba ye de newspaper review no emu ncheche mu nyina e de ba besom wo intino me dame ho ba sia me ba ye beto aso.
I'm some of you 2 p.m. any be PM wa abonten frame me ba
because I've actually leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the ATN said this is sorry.
Now coach Samuel Puedu Emma House of Folk or in Sembi Etuja and Bufuye pa na video is.
What was the problem? No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh, entertainment never dies.
I
All right, abusia for sama makwaba bi you know say you want to be in a judgment you know ayana mahu ye mobo na meka wo say Yorke state ejuma ku ba kwa e ba no sase dia wona kache ene bi wo mrepem medi wo ho komo area che but free 0243708485 na kwaji wasase sisi a mo cha asase no mo che no di nyan se wo kita bi kakra bi wo wonsem ombeja asase ni mu e di amaw afi so Adus boutique eso che intade ene afade ahodo pe sika kakra bi hye wonsem ombeja bi amaw Sarabo hotel kone kwadwojo ho wo ne wo yire wife chese bibia obetimi mu betimi akora makwadwojo mo ho na bibia so akoyie nti omo so obetimi afra won 024222 now so 181 18 komo yen shas here with the daily again so graphic no or say Ghana card now e-passport valid for 44,000 airports. Ghana card now e-passport valid for 44 airports. Na chese nipa nimfoni eda hanum Vice President Dr. Mahamadou Baumia wachechire mu say sisi anu ye Ghana card ye use no sisi anu sign so passport electronic passport is anu betimi dia two kwan akọ countries bebre name omo airport chese airport ahodo omo accept sa adi as passport no airport ba ko 44,000 enye asem ketua no so the front page of Daily Graphic. One more so no or say government spends 662.5 million Ghana cedis on COVID-19. Is the bet church the COVID-19 our expenditure. Government spends 662.5 million Ghana cedis on COVID-19. Attorney General presents 91 vehicles to agency. Attorney General presents 91 vehicles to agencies, and also one of the stories are trending the front page of Daily Graphic. Moving on, or say GACL MD's appointment terminated, and also one of the stories are Hytvgh Hanum saying Kolebu Eye Center conducts 6 cornea transplants. Kolebu Eye Center conducts 6 cornea transplant. And also in Sema Hytvgh Hanum. Moving from Daily Graphic to the Daily Guide, on the front page, page 3, and on my indicator on the front page, Ewa Hanum say was a criminal summons for Canada MP. Criminal summons for Canada MP. Sacked KIA boss shocked. Kumasi International Airport boss ya pamono na pamono no ashoke papa ipa chance ono de onte asie de ntia wotimi nisa. But what would be the reason, or what is the reason behind this? That should be in government builds 3,602 kilometer roads in 4 years. Government builds 3,202 kilometers road in 4 years. ICAO endorses Ghana card as e-passport, and also in Sebia Hytvgh Daily Guide. If you want even the Ghanaian Times, now Ghanaian Times, or say government committed to agenda 111 health minister asemo ya ye kan ho asema na eho akoye dempa isan se na ye hwe ne se anka ye betimi asi government hospitals ni bibre na sisia no health minister be area betudwa se agenda 111 omugusu wo so enye se omayi omse afi ho omugusu wo so nti no Ghana by anase amafo mo Ghana hanum enka wo komanto ye won yem isan se aban ne ebebo modi aso betimi aye agenda 111 no government is committed to it. All right, Hytvgh 4 weeks old strike. Hytvgh 4 weeks old strike. Not just says is no Hytvgh strike no edi a year in the fua and 9 and I say bosome baako a enye you can say edi na watch a 9 just say a year bosome baako a enye asem keto akra or say Hytvgh strike 4 week old Hytvgh 4 week old strike. Students begin to return home. Sisi ana was okofie suku for ni nyina dodo na ekofie sanse woti suku mu hono ma obedi waduani nyina wusika nyina nanso na wonsua ade baako okotena fie ekopa adwuma eye ya anka be boa omoso mo bana mo so ma bana ma besua ade ntino sisi ano suku for dodo na ekofie. Ghana Airports Company MD relief of post and also hanama enya asem keto aviation stakeholders satisfied with Magdan Aviation Facility at KIA and also honma enya asem keto. Moving on, we are going to the Chronicle. Now the Chronicle no also hooray Baumia's e-passport promise delivered. International Civil Aviation Organization gave approval in Canada yesterday. Na chese sisi ano Dr. Muhammadu Baumia wetimi abone humodia ama sisi a e-passport a ye kase hu abehia se de beba no wetimi abomodia e de aba okaye ena waye na ndra ena Canada for so agitu mu se ye Ghana card ye se de beba ye e-passport no sisi ana ya je atuma enya asemketo antino ye ma ye Ghana mampanyi abedi eche ye Dr. Muhammadu Baumia amupa se wetimi e de yen akọ the international picture no eso ama bibia so akoyi. Suspected fraudsters use DCOP Ecluse name to dupe a year Sweden. Enya say enya asem ketwa I want so what the Chronicle. I can't slide the people of Enchi. I can't slide the people of Enchi, says suspended secondary mayor. And also Sema Hytvgh Hanum say the new crusading guide Ghana card is now e-passport. ICAO declares and also Hanum say same the same as Hytvgh Hanum. CID petitioned to investigate Ninoy Uwo over alleged impersonation. And also one of the stories are Hytvgh the front page of the new crusading guide. Stop the ugly noises on e-levy. Razak Opoku jabs in NDC Mahama. And also in Sema Hytvgh Hanum. A free year Akoto wraps investors. A free year Akoto wraps investors into agric sector. Not just a year agric minister. A free year Akoto and on a year for a year cancer investor Ufie Bruchiri. Abagana hanuma opese one yembo brana fede otimi ede ni sika be hye yen adwuma ye nimu no na o kire se sisi anu otimi abone homoden se obetimi adada na na se adefe no no so ni sika abe hye yen kua ye adwuma nimu no ye fionom de na ye ko the Daily Dispatch. Now the Daily Dispatch no nsema Hytvgh anu mutimi se nsema they are very 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 sensitive. He says that effective yesterday, Ghana card now e-passport, and also Hanum say Ghana card can now be used in 44,000 airports in 197 countries. And also we have to applaud the Vice President of the nation, Dr. Muhammadu Baumia, for his earnest efforts to add his quota to the development of Ghana. Dr. Muhammadu Baumia is a friend of the Church Christian Council of Ghana and Ekasanum. Or say Dr. Muhammadu Baumia is a friend of the church. Almost somebody almost some Abigu Aharam. Sick NDC MPs refusing to travel abroad for treatment to vote against e-levy. Afenyo marking Ekasan or say Sisiano MPs nibi wo hono mo ye NDC for omo yare pa. Nanso senior omon pese e-levy ne beba so nti omon pese ombe kwa manone akwaje ayarehwe Sisiano obi ani ada ho ayarehwe ndi obi ampeso be kwakwaje esanse unya koye na anhwa na ya pass eye e-levy no na woso obamu a wo be chiro pam. NPA National Petroleum Authority boss appeals to tanker drivers help us fight fuel illegal selling. And so ewa hanama enye asem kitwa. If you want to ane ekọ the inside Odike fights Ekufu Adom warns of danger if e-levy is passed. Na chese ono achre Ekufu Adom says sisi anom yehwe yi pan chan say de ebefri e-levy numa banana se ye bomodin pass e-levy na de efri esroba no yenim ehho asem ti ye bomodin ase betimi ahwe e-levy ni yi. African Union suspends debate on observer status for Israel. And also Hanum say enya asem kitwa. Airport MD sacked over Magdan terminal. And also in Sema Hytvgh Hanum papa we were trending almost all the newspaper no so and Napo has kept faith with the people energy ministry. This is at the front of the Daily Statesman and American Napo has kept faith with the people energy ministry and worker wonasem Ghana card now passport and also the same story Hytvgh Baumia vindicated na chese sianom nasema wakan no Ghana for yagina tum siano yetimi embone so bo se wanye bibi ana wakan bibi no wanye siano wetimi abeye a chese Dr. Mahamudu Baumia ni fonyi eda hanu musia enye asem kitwa criminal summons against fleeing Asin North MP. Asin North MP, almost this week, and I say almost every day of the week, Nidi Hytvgh enya asem kitwa, but I was MP for Bomodi and Sen Asem no betimi ahwemu ye na bibia so akoyi. NDC is against government transformation efforts. Eye boaben asamwa ena okasa no ndra no okasa ede akire eye opanyi eye Ghana man panyin data Mahama ena okan bi ede akire sanse papa iso ekokruchen sem edigu eye ni Facebook also ena onso a reply na enya asem kitwa. Now moving to the Daily Post, ensem bebre na ena Hytvgh ewa ha sei ensem bebre na ena Hytvgh ewa ha sei. O say government is yet to account for about 430 million of COVID-19 funds. Government is yet to account for about $430 million of COVID-19 funds. Minta akando ena eka say na chese $430 million no eno ena chese yede to eye fund num na o kire say sisia no ye omo hwe anim say anka aban betimi abekire ye de yede $430 million no dollars no ye abra COVID-19 no eba ye san say sika bebre na na epia ede ko share COVID-19 funds na so besi nde no ye ntimi hu de yede ba be anase ade potina yede ya enye asem kitwa I was saying so ye point ni puma sibre na fidi ye kan ho asem ye fi onom de ane ye ko the Ghanaian Observer Asin North MP ordered his guards to throw me out. I know you're the same story I am say Hytvgh ewa hadama enye asem kitwa sanya mawe nyina ewa hadama e wose ye kan ho asem na afedi ye pe insem no epoma sibre abusia ye de eye newspaper review no ebesi hanam na afedi ya toa insem no so na mekai will say and that day there's going to be a very big demonstration nationwide, but it's going to happen and I say ekoso ewo eye circle as a aboabo sport or sport ba kwa ewo ho no ena obra sport ena ebekoso ewo eye circle intinom bomodi answer so ope say if you support the motion say we should kick against e-levy abet me akoka ho na was we pushing for the national or the agenda ekoso among some political party and some pressure groups are most or more here, but yet was no mama Sankai was say registrations are what we ekoso no sisi ade ye fa na agro ebi anesa ya ye Ghana card no electronic passport no obetina ho akase me de me register obetia ne say when you see bibia wo esanse by July no bibia ebeba be guitar, and we know that we have a vice president. He's so much interested in making Ghana a digital state. Into Bomodian say, ubetimi a day a year registrations. Nina ubetimi acquire a year. You can say Ghana card, same card registration, pensions registration, you can say SNES social, you can say welfare near Dina, but more than answer with all the various registrations now also on at all that na Bibia so akuyim. On this very show, no, I would plead with you, say anytime I will comments be and suggestions be no, just don't hesitate. But more than answer with me to a comment section as na Bibia so akoye na ye timi atwa ye dwumadi ni so ebusia meeting eti Okamafo Clement me na metena se eji dwumadi ni a elebe somwo ewo ye Yorke morning dwumadi no eso meeting na de bia meka Okamafo Clement me kan semni no sene ese na afedi ya toa so Yorke state ene edwumaku ba kwa wo so masene ema me de dwumadi ni na ede brewo Yorke state ewo nsase ahodo ya tete so nsase no ma meka wo se asase bia no ne ewo from me senior that dey bia meka no ukita 7,000 5,000 ubetimi dia beto o na akere wasase na wo hwehwe no na afedi wotimi ahye nyema bi ase na afedi utweni kakrankra sa nyema ni nyina ewo ho nhihye bebre wo ho no ma betimi aba ye Yorke state na wodi won abeye abedin sa wo so 0243708485 na wodi won atwetwe nkomo 0243 708485 0243708485 na anyone entwetwe nkomo na bibia so enkoyi Adams boutique am I entire 10 day bia me kan man ho aye fedi bia mo kan for me na mo ma me likes for Facebook Instagram bia mo shem bia obi kura person address it say me ni nyina na say Adams boutique wona daroma wo ma me tade no free of charge but what say no wo ubetua intino ba wo dey say obekọ Adams boutique na wo so akọje wo dey we so for we ohempon chese bi obi bia wo ye ewo wiase mu no wo so ene wo dey ewo honom from 0243708485 na wo so ekọje wo dey but mo say mama kan say atade bia obehye no eni animonyam eni animguase ene ekọ intino opa atade de animonyam be bro dey Adams boutique but mo dey ane won entwetwe komo na bia so enko yie Sarabo hotel ye pe baby de etiato ye pe baby akọjiju ye ho ye pe bia ye de ye kantoma no ebe sha obia embe ha ye ndia na chese ye Sarabo hotel ope baby de ho atum swimming pool awiemu ho no pese we gije ho kakra 5-star hotel bibia ewom bedrooms no master bedrooms ahodo master size beds ne ade bibia e fine yes say ye bed sheet bibia intentem nya bibi no de na achebe bed sheet ni nkofo be 7 we be hwe ne ma egu bed sheet ni so nya menko na betimi akire next we no de very nice chese mayam kasama ko ho no ma spend about some days bia so ekoyi Sarabo hotel 0244 292 na woni edi komo na bibia so akoyi edi ama abusia aha na me de wo be si ewo dwumadi ni so dwumadi no Yorke morning show Monday to Friday between the time of 6 to 8:30 na afedi ediri dwumadi ni nyina esi yembre no aye be mesori so na afedi programs ahodo aye wo no ye de abesomo midin eri Okamafo Clement nyum yi si na want me kade a makra